More breaking news coming in at this hour on the live report. High drama was seen inside the meeting of the JDU legislators. All MLAs, that's the sources which are telling your channel, were praising Nitish Kumar. MLAs were not willing to listen to anyone. And they also asked Senior Agriculture Minister in the cabinet, Naresh Singh, to propose the name of the Chief Minister Nitish Kumar, and they have approved his name. But Nitish Kumar is not willing to accept any kind of conciliatory offers after he has given his resignation. Prakash joining us with more details. Prakash.
Well, the meeting is concerned, Nitish Kumar has finished his speech and he has declined to accept the post of Chief Ministership once again. As soon as he started speaking, the clamor for Nitish started by all the MLAs, because in regional parties, as it happens, from 1 to 10 there is no other leader, and same is the case with Nitish Kumar, who is one of the most popular leaders in Bihar, as we all have known. And for JDU, if Nitish Kumar decides that he will not accept the responsibility once again and nominate someone else, there will be a split in the party. And one important thing is that the JDU has been divided into two camps. The Sharad Yadav camp, there is the internal differences with Sharad Yadav has come to the fore. It is learned that it is Sharad Yadav who has provoked Nitish Kumar to resign. And now these MLAs are believed to be against Sharad Yadav and majorly in favor of Nitish Kumar, and these are all high voltage drama. But as far as Nitish is adamant, we all know him, that he is adamant of not accepting the responsibility again, and the MLAs, the 114 MLAs who are attending the meeting, has refused to accept any other person's name, and the name was proposed by Senior Agriculture Minister Narendra Singh, at whose residence around 30 to 40 MLAs attended the meeting, and thereafter they went to the CM residence and are asking Nitish to accept. And the JDU without Nitish is impossible, because in the event of all likelihood, if Nitish doesn't come back to the Chief Minister post, the JDU will split and it will be a leaderless party. And as we have all known, it will split majorly, and the BJP can hobnob with all the JDU leaders in case if Nitish decides to part ways. Back to you.
Well, that's right, Prakash. The JDU right now looking at a great dilemma, but the BJP has stepped up the attack, calling Nitish's resignation just a mere drama. Let's take a